When you make changes and when you open your Opera file, you'll find a refresh button there.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to click on the refresh button. If refresh button is not there, I told you earlier also, Opera is not the Windows content. Okay, it is not a component of Windows. That was the reason I told you always whenever you are doing HTML, use Notepad and use Internet Explorer because these are the components of the Windows and compatibility is there. Opera being an outsider may not have the compatibility with the Notepad. So next time when you are creating those, always try to open with Internet Explorer or Google Chrome nowadays is coming along with your Windows. So the components of the Windows will have the compatibility. Opera is not a Windows this thing, no. So that can be a compatibility issue. Then every time when you are connecting it or whenever every time you are opening it, you have to save it with a new name. Then every time you have to save it with the new name, and then it will be showing you the output. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Any other question, Bache? So shall we begin with the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll share the screen again. As you can see, I have created a folder here, class 10. And I will be having both the files here. Text file also and your HTML file also. So I'll open the file here, HTML head title. This we have done till H6. I told you a little about p tag also. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you practiced the p tag?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. P tag में whatever you want to write, paragraphs can be written here. And p tag can be closed here. With this, I ask you to practice also 3 more tags. U tag, let's close it here. Okay. Then we'll begin with the B tag. Can be closed here. And then can we have UI tag and can be closed here. And then we can have all the 3 tags B, U, I. And after this, we can close it here. B, U, and I. हमने पैराग्राफ को U tag लगा दिया. Can be is under B tag and written is under I tag. Here is under all the 3 tags, right? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll save it and we'll open this. Okay, wait a minute. Web.html and desktop class 10 save. Now, paragraph underlined can be bold, written is showing you italic, and here is showing you all the rest of the effects. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So bold, italic, underline. These font effects can be done using this particular tags. Okay. Then we have done BG color, save. This is done. Let's complete whatever we have done. Then we have done align tag. Okay. Here we will do align, right? Fine. Save. Close it. Open this file. We have to close it again. Open. It is not showing the changes. Wait a minute. We'll do one thing. Open with still no changes. Wait a minute. File. Save as. Dot. Desktop. Then save. Now we have two files. That means something is wrong with the coding. Okay. H1 aligned center. H1 aligned right. Wait. We delete both the files. Let's check it out. Is there any mistake? Oh, I haven't saved. We have to save it again. Wait. BG color is equal to red. Line. When you are writing the spelling of the line, be careful. Many maximum times we write ALING is equal to H1 aligned center. and H4 align. Right. Let's see, is it work? No. Save, save as dot html. I think it's working. No, it's not working, or it's working, it is not showing because three are not there. Anyways, we have done this previous time, so we'll continue with the next. But there is some problem, and problem is what? I'll find it out. Okay, wait a minute. Inverted quotes are not good, and nobody is telling me also. Very good. Nobody wants to tell also, ma'am. Inverted quotes are not there. So Carmel center, Carmel
Ma'am, here
right,
is also.
and opposite. Where? What? Come on, say it. Okay. So after that, now in this, when you have align tag, p tag we have done. Now we'll go with sub tag. For example, we write down uh, in the p tag. We'll under the p tag only. We'll put a slash here. There is one tag br. Which tag? Br. Somebody, please mute your. Please mute yourselves. Now BR tag will create a blank line. How will show you. Now I'll write down capital H, okay, and then I'll write down sub tag. I'll write down 2, close the tag, and then I will write down O. Okay, now let's see what happens. H2O. That means if you want to write the subscript, which is this 2, then you have to use the which tag?
Subtag.
Sub tag. You have to use the sub tag. Same way, if again I'll write down the BR, that means I'm breaking the, okay, fine. We'll not write down the BR. We'll just simply type um, 7th, yeah, 10th. Chalo, we'll write down 10th. And then we'll write down sub tag. Sub tag. And then write down 10 class. Sorry, TH is not written. TH, let me close sub, SUP, and then class. Let's see what happens now. Now you'll find TH has gone up. This is the superscript. Is it? But what happened? Just after the H2O, 10th class is appearing. Let us do it a little more. We'll just write down here We'll have it here only, but we'll write down BR here. Let's see what the BR is going to do for us. Save, and then now can you see the change here? H2O 10th class. With the BR, we have break the line. So is it clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go back to our notepad file. After sub and sub, let's have the tag font. Font face. Now what is this font face? Font face is the way you write the things. For type, we'll use monotype cursive. Close it, write down curve. Okay. Then again, we can write down comics, friends, and 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 let's see what we have done. Can you see the change? Carmel, something is wrong with the Carmel. Let's check. Mono. Okay, sorry. It's monotype cursive. File, save. Now, can you see the change? It is written in different style. It is written in different style. This is monotype cursive and this is convent. Is it clear, girls?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who wants to ask anything about these tags? Anybody wants to ask anything about these tags? Girls, come on, answer it. 10th standard, you are able to answer, I believe. 10th standard, anybody has any question, say yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We have chats here. Subtag. Jaskirat, you want to know about subtag? Yes, ma'am, no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll go back here. Now, what you have to do is 10th standard. I hope everybody is having a book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are tags given. Are you sitting with your books or no? Are you sitting with your books? Yes or no? Come on faster. Are you sitting with your books, girls?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what you have to do is you have
Yes,
to open up those who are sitting, okay? Otherwise, you write down the page number. Page number 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79, 80, 81, 82. Almost most of the tags we have completed here. There are still some tags that you have to see. Now, all body text, font tags are explained there. Two tags are there which you should know. One is pre-formatted text. Pre-formatted text is when you want to set certain formatting. Then we go for example, आपने लिखा my name is, and then in the second sentence you want to give a longer space, two tabs, and then your name to be displayed, then we have to give the formatting tag. Formatting tag say pre-tag, which is pre-tag from pre-formatting tag. Pre, you just write on pre. With this particular tag, you'll be able to display the way you want it to be displayed, the number of spaces, the number of tabs, the number of bullets, some smileys, whatever you want to give, then you have to give the pre tag. There is one more tag, that is comment tag. We generally represent this tag with exclamation mark. In this tag, whatever you type will not be displayed on the website. वेब पेज पे कुछ भी डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा जो कमेंट टैग के अंदर आएगा। या तो आप कमेंट लिखेंगे टैग का नाम एंगल ब्रैकेट्स में, या फिर अगर आप कमेंट नहीं लिखना चाहते देन यू विल राइट डाउन द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क। बोथ आर यूज्ड फॉर इट। ओके, सो ऑल आई वांट यू टू इज practice this tag with things. Okay, ये सारे के सारे tags आपने 8th standard में भी किए हैं. There is not even a single tag which you have not practiced in the 8th standard. So please open up your book and try to practice. The most important tag is list tag, ordered list tag, which is ordered and unordered. We'll begin with the OL tag. Just to remind you, ये आपने ये भी किया है, but you need to practice it. OL tag में जब हम OL tag लिखेंगे, we'll start with the LI tag. OL ने बता दिया कि मैं ordered list हूँ. OL is ordered list. ये list आ गया, ये चीजों को item में डालेगा. For example, okay, to make it more easy, I'll just copy them and paste. ठीक है, अब इससे क्या हो गया, मुझे li टैग बार बार टाइप नहीं करना है. I could have written in one line also, but then it can create confusion time sometimes. Keyboard की जगह we'll write down here mouse, scanner, joystick, another input device like that. And we'll close the OL tag. Let's save and minimize it. See, can you see? But everything is written in this कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्कैनर, जॉयस्टिक, लाइट, पेन. ये देखा तुमने कौन सा स्टाइल है ये? Which style are we following? 10th standard or 8th? Why? Because, let me close it. Because somewhere after the monotype cursiva, Carmel, I have not closed it. Now I closed it. Fine. Save, close, and open. See the difference. Now, same way, if I just copy this and paste it here and just make it UL. And save. Minimize. See, मैंने सिर्फ कितना टाइम लिया? half a minute, and I created unordered list also. यू सिर्फ ओ को यू किया तो अनऑर्डर्ड आ गया. अनऑर्डर्ड मीन्स अगर मैं इसको ऊपर नीचे भी कर दूं फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट ये सीक्वेंस में इनको हम नहीं कर सकते. Maybe somebody who has written, it's written in a proper sequence, we cannot change it, but this is not in a sequence, it can be changed up and down. Now अब इनका difference, just see this. अगर मैंने OL में टाइप लगाया A और इसमें टाइप लगाया स्क्वायर, ओके, इज इक्वल टू, और बोलता भी कोई नहीं, प्रॉम्प्ट भी कोई नहीं करता, बहुत अच्छी क्लास है ये. See the difference. Can you see? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Few are, only one is there who's answering. So that was disk. By default disk 14 filled circle. That is disk. Now I have changed into this squares. By default ये number 1 होता है, लेकिन I have changed it to A, B, C. What else I can change in this? Let's see. If I'll make it capital A, and if I'll make it circle, see, hollow circle बनेगा यहाँ पे, hollow disk, और ये कैपिटल ABC, राइट. अब इसके इतने ही टाइप्स हैं, hollow circle, filled circle एंड स्क्वायर, जिनको हम डिस्क, सर्कल और स्क्वायर बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे 3 ही किए हमने अभी तक, 1 2 3. We have done ABC capital, ABC small. Now what is else extra is there in this OL tag? OL tag में इसको हम रोमन्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. सॉरी, आगे small romans. Now this can be changed into capital Romans also. See, so we have 5 attributes in OL, 5 values in OL type attribute and 3 values in UL type attribute. Except this type, हमारे पास OL में एक और attribute होता है जो UL में नहीं होता. UL में कौन सा नहीं होता, OL में कौन सा होता है, that is start. Sorry, ये आ गया हमारे पास OL. इसका एक और एट्रीब्यूट है, that is start is equal to 3. जो भी हम इसकी वैल्यू देंगे, only 1 minute is left, after that I want to finish. अगर किसी के पास कोई क्वेश्चन है साथ साथ पूछते जाओ. See, it will begin with the third value 3 4